this is just a tip. I have a 4mm stone that I want to set, and I found that I had this little piece of tubing, but it's all wonky, and I wanted to make it really straight, but as you see, it's too small. So what I do is that I place it on a piece of like a wooden mandrel that I have, and I'll show you how to do that so you can cut it straight without cutting your fingers. Okay, so I have the tubing in the mandrel, right? So now I'm going to put it right here. I have a notch on my bench pin, and I'm going to hold it tight against that so the tubing does not slide. I already charged my saw blade with lubricant, and now I'm going to start to saw. Hold it really tight. Stop and rotate as you go, always holding tight against that bench pin. Rotate. Follow that line, okay? Of course, there are tube cutters. That's the easiest way, but this was too small. So I just have this little trick. And done. Oops. Okay, it's done. See? It's perfect. As you can see. It's perfect. So now I have the size that I need. So I'm just going to file it. Okay, now that I cut it straight, I'm going to just do the same thing. Hold it against this wooden mandrel, and I'm going to file it. And I put my nail right there on the very top of the tubing. Just a little bit of sanding on both sides. I turn it around, and I do the other side. So see, it's perfect on both sides. These are just like a set of wood sticks that I bought. I think it was in Michael's. You can find it in any craft store, I'm sure. But yeah, it really works, and it's just perfect. So now I'm ready to set my 4mm stone. Love it. Thank you, guys. Oh, and here is the set that I bought years ago. It's just a value pack of dowels, wood sticks, whatever you want to call them, wood mandrels, and they are all sizes. Look, they are all sizes. And you can utilize those to do anything. I mean, to see that some of them have cuts in the center. Well, I do jump rings, so I don't cut my fingers. I mean, they are really handy. And I'm sharing them with you. I'm sure you can find them. Love you guys.